want to share with you what I've learned so far, some of the things about the cryptocurrencies. I've had questions about this. Interesting new market. These are unregulated, so it's more risky. Um, and so you have to take that into consideration when if you invest in cryptocurrencies, that you put your money in an exchange, and even if you do make money, it's possible that you may not be able to withdraw your money. So only use risk capital that you can afford to lose. Um, This is a chart of Aetherium Classic. It's one of the ones I've been looking at. And yesterday there was a news report that came out about Aetherium Classic being added to Hong Kong exchanges. And this is a 60-minute chart. You see the interval here. And this is Coinigy.com. This is the best platform I've seen for the cryptocurrencies. And you can look at different exchanges. For example, poloniex is one of the top exchanges, and poloniex, that's where I have an account, and you can connect your poloniex account to this Coinigy platform, and you can get the link below for a 30-day trial of this platform, and you can look at different intervals, different studies. And so, for example, if I want to take a look at the Fibonacci retracement of this on Aetherium Classic, let's first take a look at the long-term picture. Here is where it is back in May, trading around 580. It's gone as high as nearly $24, and it's chopped in a wide range in here. So there's lots of opportunity to trade it. Now, you cannot short cryptocurrencies, but you can buy the dips and then exit on the rallies, or you can invest for a long-term investment. So a lot of people speculate that these cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can be worth $1 million per Bitcoin when it's currently around 2,500 right now. So that's speculation. There's no guarantee that it could go to zero tomorrow. But they're talking about $1 million in 10 or 20 years. Not a bad investment, considering the stock market's returns that you could put in, $2,500 in 10 or 20 years. It's worth $1 million. So if you have the risk capital to put on a trade like that and want to do it, you could have the opportunity to do that. If you want to trade it, you can also do that as well. Here is the where you get the Fibonacci tool if you like to trade Fibonacci retracement. So here is a Fibonacci retracement, and I'm pushing the button on my mouse, the scroll on my mouse, to go up. So you can do the Fibonacci retracement from either point, and I'm going to go from here up to here, and then we see the 38.2% retracement is right here at 1680. And if you like to buy 38.2% Fibonacci retracements, then this is the place to get in. If this market could make another move to all-time highs and then keep going, that might be a good trade to put on. But you do need an account with poloniex as well, and I have a link to that below this video as well. And you can take a look at other markets in here on poloniex, or if you click on your exchange, there's different exchanges that trade the same currencies. And so, for example, let's put in Bitcoin, BTC versus US dollars. So here's Bitcoin, and let's look at the one-day chart. Here's what it's done this year. Big parabolic move, lots of volatility. If this thing does go to 1 million, you have to be prepared for there to be huge amounts of volatility. You've got to be prepared to, if it were to go to something like 100,000 or 50,000, be prepared to have 50% retracements easily. And most people can't endure that kind of volatility. If you're up 100,000, for example, and it pulled back to 50,000, most people would have bailed by then or before, and then only to watch a move for it to double its all-time highs. Those are the kinds of moves that would have to happen if it did go to a number like 1 million in the next 10 or 20 years. But again, it's a bit of a pie in the sky forecast. But I like the technology, and I like the opportunity, and I wanted to share with you how you could potentially put on trades and the platforms to use. I will have more information on this as I'm currently researching ways to write algorithms to automatically trade in a platform like Coinigy.